Everyone tells you to play it safe with your money. Real estate never fails. Blue chip stocks are solid. Banks will always protect your savings. But what if I told you the so-called safest investments have wiped out more money than the riskiest bets ever could? Today, we're exposing 5 investments that looked bulletproof until they blew up. And at the end, I'll show you how to actually protect your wealth when the safe choices turn deadly. Buckle up, because some of these stories might hit closer to home than you think. 5 investments you thought were safe until they blew up. Brick 1. Real estate. The 2008 crash. For decades, real estate was the symbol of safety. Buy land. They're not making any more of it, they said. But in 2008, the safest market on earth detonated. Millions believed property values could only go up. Banks gave out loans to anyone with a pulse. Then, boom. Home prices fell 30 to 50%. Trillions in wealth vanished. People lost houses, jobs, entire retirement funds. Real estate went from the American dream to the world's biggest nightmare overnight. Safe doesn't mean invincible. Real estate only works when prices reflect value, not greed. Always ask, would I still buy this if prices stopped rising for 5 years? Moneybag 2. Bank savings and bonds, the inflation trap. For generations, our parents told us, put your money in the bank, let it grow safely. But in 2021 to 2024, inflation exposed that lie. Graph. 10% inflation vs 5% savings return. Asterisk. Imagine you have $10,000 in the bank. You earn 5% interest. Sounds good, right? But if inflation is 10%, your real value drops to $9,500 in purchasing power. You didn't save, you lost. Quietly. Invisibly. Shrinking dollar bills, groceries increasing in price, governments print money, interest rates fluctuate, and safe cash gets eaten alive. The fix? Don't hoard, hedge. Keep some liquidity, but invest in assets that grow faster than inflation, like index funds, ETFs, or even productive businesses. Your money's biggest enemy isn't risk, it's time and inflation. Upward trend 3. Blue chip stocks, when giants fell. Blue chip stocks are forever, they said. Invest in the big names and sleep well, but history says otherwise. In 2001, Enron, a $70 billion company, vanished overnight in one of the biggest accounting frauds ever. In 2008, Lehman Brothers, a 158-year-old bank, filed bankruptcy. Even General Electric, once America's most trusted stock, lost over 80% of its value. Too big to fail, until it did. The truth? No company is too big to crumble. Technology shifts. Leadership fails. Debt piles up. If your portfolio worships a single brand, you're gambling, not investing. Always diversify. The market doesn't reward loyalty, it rewards logic. Coin 4. Stable, crypto and platforms, the 2022 meltdown. In 2020, crypto was the new frontier. Stablecoins promised dollar-backed safety, while exchanges offered double-digit returns. Then came Terra, Luna, a $60 billion project that disintegrated in days. FTX, the safest exchange backed by celebrities, collapsed amid fraud and lies. Overnight, people went from millionaires to broke, some even took their lives. Sam Bankman. The illusion of safety was built on trust and hype. The lesson is brutal but simple. If it sounds risk-free but pays more than a bank, something's wrong. High returns plus guaranteed safety equals scam waiting to happen. In crypto, and in life, never invest in what you don't understand. High voltage 5, unstoppable, tech giants, the modern meltdown. For years, tech stocks felt like magic. Buy Apple, Tesla, Amazon, you can't lose. Then 2022 hit. Interest rates rose. Profits slowed. Meta lost 70% of its value. Netflix collapsed by half. Even Tesla, the market's golden child, crashed nearly 65%. When hype replaces fundamentals, even giants fall. The danger isn't volatility, it's complacency. Don't confuse a great company with a great investment. If everyone believes an asset can't lose, it's already overpriced. The crowd is never early, it's always late. Every investment carries risk, even the safe ones. Real estate, banks, blue chips, crypto, tech. The pattern is clear. Whenever the world believes something can't fail, it already has. Safe is an illusion. Knowledge is real safety. The real safety isn't in the asset, it's in your understanding of it. Learn the rules, diversify, and never stop questioning what you're told. If you got value from this video, hit like, subscribe and share it with someone who still believes their money is safe. In our next episode, we'll uncover 5 assets that could thrive in the next market crash. Until then, protect your wealth and protect your mind. Subscribe for more wealth wisdom.